Watch yourself. And the FedEx to pick up my air ride. Really excited. FedEx guy lied. He's a liar. He said he attempted to drop it off and nobody was home. I was literally sitting by the door. All right, so for the low price of, what do you got there, baby?
Gingerbread coffee,
and
munchkins, and a muffin.
For that, she accompanied me. Can't beat that, right? It's just beautiful out here. I mean, I wouldn't recommend this to anybody, but for those people that follow me in warmer weather, here you go. Just pulling up to FedEx. Hopefully, get my air ride. Look at here. It has arrived. I know. Crazy, I should have just waited. But I've been waiting for 2 months now. My lovely wife decided to take this beautiful snowy ride with me. The Lexus did not disappoint. And like everything else, it's all about the journey.